Richard Roderick, farm in partnership with my wife Helen at Newton Farm, which is situated about 5 miles east of Brecon, in the heart of the Brecon Beacons National Park. We farm about 650 acres, mixed beef, sheep and arable, and the land runs from about 200 feet at the valley bottom up to 1200 feet to our highest point. We run a flock of about just shy of 1100 ewes, and 200 ewe lambs were put to the tip for 3 weeks as well. So our sheep cycle would start early September, where we'd put teaser tups in for 17 days, and about the 24th September then we put the entires in, and they were scanned on the 11th of December, and the following 2 days they were shorn, and they spend their winter then housed on self-feed silage up until the point of lambing. We try and target our best quality silage for the twins, and our very best fields then get folded into the pit in the centre of the pit, so as they self-feed through, the protein levels, the red clover goes more into the middle of the pit, so hopefully as they get closer to lambing, the protein and quality of silage improves as they feed through the face through the winter. On ensiling, we make sure that we use side sheets. About 10 years ago we started using a cling film, which has transformed the waste on the pit, and we've also moved away from using small bale straw to mats, and the combination of the cling film and the mats has drastically reduced the waste. And when you've only got a pit that's 4 foot high, just a little bit of waste is quite a percentage of the clamp. So once they're all in on self-feed silage, the feeding of the sheep is very, very quick. It's a very simple system. You'd have 200 to 270 on a 50-foot face, move it on about 10 centimeters a day, so one man can feed all our ewes in less than 20 minutes without starting the tractor. So it's very labour efficient, but it's very important that we keep the sheep in a very level condition score, so they're very even, because we haven't got the luxury of splitting them into small groups. We run them in large groups, so that's an important part. So our silage analysis this year came back at 67 D value with 12.6 protein. So looking at the condition score of the ewes, we'll probably go to introduce concentrates about a month before lambing. Started off at quite a low rate and increasing to about half a kilo per head per day. We also give them access to selenium and cobalt licks, which we think the selenium helps to reduce prolapsing. And the cake we'll use will be an 18% nut.